Hello, my name is Nitish Gowda M. I am pursuing my MBA in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I am here to represent the topic called communication structure in an organization. Before getting into a communication structure, let me explain the definition of communication. Communication is the process that involves sending and receiving the messages through the verbal and non-verbal methods. Communication is the two-way means of communicating the informations in the form of thoughts, opinions, and ideas between the two or more individuals with the purpose of building and understanding. Communication structure in an organization. Formal communication, informal communication. Under the formal communication, downward communication, upward communication, horizontal communication. Types of communication structure in an organization. Formal communication structure. Formal communication structure is a set of rules and guidelines that govern how information is exchanged within an organization. It's characterized by the professionalism, orders, and clarity. Informal communication structure. Informal communication is a casual, unofficial way of sharing the information that does not follow a flow or rules structure. It can be spoken, written, or conveyed through the body, language, and gesture. Formal communication also includes horizontal communication structure. Horizontal communication is the transmission of informations between the people, divisions, departments, or units within the same level of organized heritage. This flatter structure encourages the open communication, fosters decisions making, and more employee autonomies, as there are fewer layers of authority to navigate. Centralized communication structure. A centralized organization structure is a management the style where the top or organizations makes the all the decision. This structure is characterized by the clear chain of command. An example of centralized communication structure: executives makes decision and send orders to junior employees who are accepted to implement those decisions. Diagnose communication structure. Diagnose communication is the communication structures that allows the employees at different level and departments to communicate directly. It's mix of vertical and horizontal communication, and it is often used to solve the complex problem across the department. An example of diagnosed communication structures can be found in large organizations where employees at a different level of hierarchy and form various departments interact directly to address the specific task or projects without necessity following the traditional vertical horizontal communications path. Network communication structure. A network communication structure is an organization is the way of communicate informations between the employees. It should be clear, consistent, and timely to help the employee to do their jobs well. An example of network communication structures can be seen in modern tech companies, startups, where communication is decentralized and employees at various level forms of different departments can freely communicate with one another, often using the digital tools. Conclusion. In conclusion, the communication structures within an organization plays a critical role in fostering effectiveness, collaborations, and clarity. A well-defined communication structures ensures that information flows seamlessly across all levels of the organization, facilitating decision making, problem solving, and the achievement of organization goals. It helps to reduce the misunderstanding allegiance of employees with the organization missions and create an environment where feedback is encouraged and valued, whether through the formal channels like meeting and mails or informal channels such as team discussions and social interactions effectively. Communications promotes a positive organization culture. Organizations that invest in refining their communication structures are better positioned to adapt to change, innovate, and maintain a competitive edge in this industry. Thank you.